Namaskar. Friends, in all entrance exams, nowadays sketching is very important. In NATA, you get some questions of sketching of having 125 marks. And in JEE paper 2, you will get questions of sketching for 100 marks out of 400 marks. In NATA, the total marks are 200, and for sketching, total marks are 125. For sketching, the speed is very important. Here we will tell you in this video how to make 1-point perspective and 2-point perspective.
Remember that speed is most important. In all entrance exams, speed is more important. Even if you are good at making drawing, but if you cannot complete all the 3 drawings in the given time, then you may lose a lot of marks. In this exercise, I am going to tell you how to make 1-point perspective. I have drawn a rectangle ABCD of any size, and I have drawn another rectangle in between, again ABCD, and I have joined corners of outer rectangle as well as inner rectangle, and where these lines, straight lines meet, this point is known as vanishing point. Next step is that I take 2 points on the baseline, that is CC, and draw vertical lines. I'll take another point at this BC and join this line with the center, this vanishing point. Wherever this line intersect these 2 vertical lines, this will be my door. I can draw another 2 lines or 3 lines to make that door more realistic. Similarly, I can draw painting. Similarly, I can make a window. Similarly, I can draw horizontal and vertical lines which will vanish to the vanishing point, and this will show my flooring pattern. Once I understand how to make 1-point perspective, I can go ahead with making 2-point perspective where we have 2 vanishing points, and we can proceed step by step from one step to second step to third step and the finished product. Another thing I tell my students, that whenever they ask you to make some poster, suppose this is the poster, and they are asking you to make a poster on save water, don't write save in single line. You can use thick lines. And some show water drops, and you can color these water drops in blue color. You can color this save water in another color, and you can color the background in another color. You see, within 2 to 3 minutes I have drawn this. And remember to use thick lines. You can develop your own fonts. You can develop your own fonts. There are large number of ways for preparing your own font, or even if you want to do in single line, you can develop this kind of font. You have to show your creativity and color sense also in these sketches. You see, you look here. I advise my students to use bright colors. Primary colors are best, red, blue and yellow, because these drawings are sent to the evaluator through internet, and when they convert it into PDF and send it through internet, the drawings become hazy, or sometimes the colors become faded. So I advise my students to use bright colors and use as much pressure on the pencil as possible, so that the brightness of the color is not lost. These are simple different questions for making poster. Youth festival, this is again for save water. The student has used the slogan Jali Jeevan Hai. This is another, you can see this poster. You are supposed to make a logo for a hotel on a famous hill station, so the student has used this name of the hotel, Hotel Paradise. He has used some images of mountain and the sun and the small cottage. Sky is the limit. Sky is the limit. You can draw anything, but you will have to be very careful that if you are supposed to make 3 drawings in the Nata, all your drawings should look complete. All these drawings are prepared by our students. You can see these sketches. You can this is a drawing where a student was supposed to make a composition of 3 books, 1 ball, 1 stick and 1 hockey stick. This is a title of the book, Geometry for Everyone. Here you can see the students are asked to prepare a composition using some fruits. In this sketch you can see the students were asked to make a sketch of a bus terminal from the memory. Another sketch where you can see they've asked you to make a sketch of a crossing where you can see a bus, a motorcycle, an auto. Some students are walking on the zebra crossing. A policeman is guiding the traffic. Again a scene from the railway platform. You can use any piece of paper. You don't have to use cartridge sheet. You can use any piece of paper. You can start doodling anytime, every time. You can make a poster of save environment, save earth. You can draw the earth or something on this. By making this type of simple sketches, you can enhance your speed. This will help you in your JEE paper 2 as well as NATA exam. Namaskar.